What is up, everyone? This is Motorals, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the KB5058499 update not installing on your Windows 11 device error. So let's get right into this. So if that specific update is not installing on your Windows 11 device, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you want to do is go to your search bar and type on troubleshoot until you see the troubleshoot settings options pop up. In here, click into additional troubleshooter, and in here, click into the Windows update and run this specific troubleshooter. This is basically going to make sure anything that's causing issues for your Windows to not update, resolve that, and update it from here. The next thing you want to do on top of this is to go to your search bar and type in services. In here, find the Windows update service, so right here, this one, and the Windows Update Medic service. Double click into both of them. First, change the startup type to whatever it is into automatic. Second, if it's running, stop it and start it again. If it's not running, press start to basically start the service, and do this for both of them. Once you do this, restart your computer, try to update again. You should be good to go, and you should not have that issue persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up, got on the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell, and that Motorals out. Peace.